If I could set time in a bottle, the first things that I like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, yet to spend them with you. If I could make days last forever, if words could make wishes come true, I'd save every day like a treasure, and then again I will spend them with you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I look around have to know you're the one I want to go through time with. If I had a box just for wishes and dreams that I never come true, the box with the empty is set for the memory of how they were answered by you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. I look around have to know you're the one I want to go through time with.
West Virginia, West Virginia, West Virginia, West Virginia.